Good morning. It's very early.
Very.
Yes, it is.
It is 4:45 in the morning.
And my eyes are... Yeah, it has to happen. We know what we're doing this for. And yeah, my hubby is going home. But he's coming back soon.
I am.
Yeah. So, we're gonna bring him away to Veliko Tarnovo.
Yes. Where we will take the bus.
Yep.
Or rather, I will take the bus. So Sofia, then the airport, then Eindhoven, then where we live.
Yeah. In the Netherlands.
So far.
For so far.
For
so,
now.
Keep you posted. I'm an emotional mess. It's too early. And, the last few days I have been seeing how tired I am from all the working and everything and all the emotions, of course. But it's worth it, and we know that, we're building something nice here. So, keep you posted. Yeah, it's very dark and it's very early. So, see you later. Wow, it's dark. There we go. So it's very, very wet outside. It has been raining a lot, as you can see. There he goes. I have to go because I cannot stand waiting here. Yeah, we will be fine, and we will see him back soon enough. And now I'm gonna go back home. So, going back through these mountains back to our house here in Bulgaria. Praying that my hubby will come back soon again. God bless you, everybody, and I will see you in hopefully next video where I'll be smiling a little more again. Bye for now.